Hello,
Hello,
and welcome to your speaking test today. What's your name?
my name is Kitty.
All right, Kitty. All right. So, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
You are 7 years old, and how are you today?
I'm happy.
You are happy today. Are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. So we will start your speaking test now. Okay. Look at the picture, Kitty. Can you tell us picture one? Can you see picture one? What's that? It's
it's trouser.
Yes, it's a trouser. Good job. How about number two?
It's a dress.
It's a dress. How about picture three?
It's a shoes.
It's a shoes. How about picture number four?
It's a star.
Yes, it's a socks. How about picture five?
It's a shirt.
Yes, very good. And how about picture seven? Picture six.
It's a skirt.
Number six. This one. This is picture
It's,
six.
it's a shirt.
Very nice. Okay. How about number seven?
It's a t-shirt.
Yes, that's t-shirt. Okay, how about the last picture, number
It's
eight?
a jumper.
Wow, great job for the part one. Let's go to another part two. Okay, for the part two, can you move the shoes to number three? Okay, all right, good job. Okay, yes, that's shoes. Okay, how about the skirt? Can you move skirt to number five? All right, good job. How about socks? Can you move socks to number one? Okay. All right, Kitty, very good. How about dress? Can you move dress to number seven? All right. Okay, good job, Kitty. How about jumper? Can you move jumper to number four? All right. How about the shirt? Can you move shirt to number six? All right. How about trouser? Can you move trouser to number eight? Good job, Kitty. And the last one, can you move the t-shirt to number two? All right, good job for this part, Kitty. Let's move on to part number three. Can you tell me, Kitty, which one is not for girls? Not for girls. Picture one, picture two, picture three, or picture four?
Picture 4.
Yes, very good. That is for boys. Okay, how about for this part three again? Which one is not for boys? Is it picture one, picture two, picture three, or picture four?
Picture 2.
Yes, picture two. Yes, dress is for girls. Okay, very good. And for the this one, for another part, which one is not part of the head? Picture one, picture two, picture three, or picture four?
Picture 1.
Yes, head is not part of our head. Okay, how about this? Which one is not part of our head? Picture one, picture two, picture three, or picture four?
Picture 2.
Picture two, yes, knee is not part of our head. Okay, and for our part four, open-ended questions, I have a question for you. Okay, what are you wearing today, Kitty?
I'm wearing T-shirt today.
Wow, great job. I like your t-shirt. It's pink. And what color do you like?
I like purple.
Wow, purple. What color are your shoes?
The shoe
Yes, your shoes.
is black.
It's black. And what color is your eyes?
My eyes
Or
are brown.
wow, you got brown eyes. How many hands do you have?
I have two hands.
Wow, great job. Let's talk about your family and your friends. Who is your friend in the classroom? Yes, my friend.
My friend is Henry.
Wow, Henry. And what is he wearing today?
He wearing T-shirt
Mhm.
today.
Wow, he is wearing red t-shirt today. Does he like yellow?
No, no,
He doesn't.
he doesn't.
Great job. And what is the color of your mommy's hair? What is the color of your mommy's hair? Is it black or brown?
It's brown.
It's brown. And what is the color of your daddy's eyes? His eyes
His eye is
are
are brown.
brown. Okay, great job. You did a great job. Job well done. Okay, can you give me a high five? Yes, all right. So can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Yes, good job, Kitty.